Hey guys! Tired of beard hair all over your sink? Sick of nicks and cuts from dull trimmers? What if I told you there's a beard trimmer that vacuums your trimmed hair while giving you a clean, sharp look? All without the mess? Meet the Shpavver Vacuum Beard Trimmer, a game changer for your grooming routine. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer, Photoshop expert, and founder of RAMINHUB and RAMINMARK. On this channel, RAMINMARK, I bring you honest, detailed reviews of the best grooming tools for men, especially beard trimmers. If you're into keeping your beard sharp, stylish, and clean, you're going to want to stick around for this one. The Shpavver Vacuum Beard Trimmer comes in a sleek, all-black finish. It's lightweight, just 14 ounces, and fits comfortably in hand. The design is minimalist yet modern, perfect for your bathroom counter or travel kit. Here's the standout feature: the built-in super suction vacuum. It captures trimmed hairs before they hit the sink. No more clogged drains or messy cleanup. It's all collected in an internal compartment that you can empty with ease. This beast is equipped with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades. It glides smoothly over your skin and reduces the chances of cuts, irritation, or tugging. Plus, it's IPX6 waterproof, so go ahead, use it dry or in the shower. You get 20 adjustable trimming lengths via an intuitive knob, from 1mm to 20mm. It also includes 2 combs, which gives you total control over your beard, mustache, stubble, and sideburns. Want a close trim? Just remove the comb for a more precise finish. It's powered by dual motors and runs for over 90 minutes on a single charge. And yes, it's USB rechargeable. Plug it into your laptop, power bank, or car adapter, perfect for travel and business trips. Looking for the perfect gift for Father's Day, a birthday, or just because? The Shpavver's premium look and performance make it a hit for dads, husbands, boyfriends, even your teenage son starting his grooming journey. This trimmer isn't just about looks, it delivers on performance, convenience, and cleanliness. A must-have for any modern man. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on the best grooming gadgets on the market. Drop your questions or experience with this trimmer in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.